This man has got to be clear-minded and completely focused for the threat that is Finn Balor. There's the Universal Championship, seen by many as the grandest accomplishment possible in all of sports entertainment.
I have a feeling we're about to learn a lot about these superstars and what makes them tick in this Extreme Rules match.
These matches always stress me out. An environment like this can turn a superstar into someone they never thought they'd become.
Or you could say this match reveals a superstar's true colors, Saxton. That's far more likely. Pow! What a shot.
Oh. Boom! A forearm smash! Forearm smash! Oh! Finn Balor with the overhead kick. Sling blade! Reigns now losing ground.
Finn's at full throttle.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. Given the no disqualification modifier on this match, Corey, what kind of tactics should you expect to see here?
Ruthless tactics, Cole. Now's the time for these superstars to unleash their pent-up aggression and be as violent as they want. There's nothing the ref can do about it, so they should go all out.
Comes back into the ring. Finn gets stopped in his tracks. Catches the kick.
Pele kick. Effective arm drag.
What a forearm. And Balor stringing together some good offense.
Reigns has to turn the tide quickly.
Here's the pin, title on the line. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Just using the adrenaline sling blade.
Basement drop kick. Boom, a forearm smack. He is just reeling from that offense.
Might be the start of Balor turning up the heat.
Clothesline. Off with their head. Oh, what a right hand. And Finn Balor connected nicely there.
Rocked his opponent.
Gets clobbered with the axe handle.
Able to avoid there.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Ooh, that's a forearm that'll floor you.
Down with a sling blade.
Basement drop kick.
Pressing their foot right into the gut. That's got to hurt. Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
Oh, where are they?
And it's reverse pain for that mistake. Basement drop kick.
And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
Reigns cuts him off.
Devastating counter. Scouting paid off with a DDT.
Headed to the top now. Oh,
this one.
Finn.
1960.
That
pin attempt for the championship. Wards off the pin at 2.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
No way!
Somersault plunge onto the floor. That is reckless abandon being shown.
And paying off as well. Oh, great. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk.
What a mess.
Ooh,
Fight is so close to our announce table.
Yeah, I'm just going to step aside now.
hey, wait for me!
Oh, strong impact. A relentless attack being brought to Roman.
Finn is getting fired up.
He reverses it.
Reigns is going to look to press on the advantage.
Yeah, Roman was able to momentarily stop the bleeding, but can he take control of this match?
Climbing up top, he's got big plans. This is where Finn comes at home.
Can Reigns recover from that?
There's 2. New champ. A new era begins.
Here is your winner, and the new WWE Universal Champion!
A valiant effort, but you can't deny that the earlier distraction had catastrophic repercussions throughout the match.
They tried to tune out the added presence, but it ultimately proved to be too much for them.